Today, I'm going to walk you through how to reset Microsoft OneDrive on your Windows computer. If you've been struggling with sync problems, unexplained errors, or you just want to start fresh with your OneDrive, this tutorial will show you the safest, most reliable way to do it. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reset OneDrive and get it working smoothly again, without losing your files or getting stuck halfway through the process. Let's dive right in. We'll start with the standard reset method, which solves most issues you'll ever see with OneDrive. First, you'll need to open the Run dialog box. To do this, locate the Windows key on your keyboard, usually between the Control and Alt buttons on the left, and press it at the same time as the R key. That's Windows plus R. A small box will pop up in the bottom left corner of your screen. This little tool is the fastest way to issue commands in Windows, and trust me, it's a lifesaver for troubleshooting. In the Run box, you'll want to paste in a specific command. Don't worry, I'll put it on the screen and in the description for you. Copy and paste this. C /program files /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive exe reset. That's OneDrive.exe reset, all as one line, and then click OK. What this command does is instruct OneDrive to completely reset itself. It's kind of like rebooting your router when the internet acts up, a simple but powerful way to clear out glitches. Next, pay attention to your system tray. That's the part of your taskbar near the clock where all your background apps sit. You should see the OneDrive cloud icon vanish for a few moments. That's good. It means the reset is happening. Don't worry if it takes a minute or two, especially if you have lots of files syncing. As soon as OneDrive finishes resetting, the cloud icon should reappear. If it doesn't show up right away, hang tight. Sometimes Windows takes a moment to catch up. Now, just to be sure everything's running the way it should, let's manually restart OneDrive. Click your Start button, the Windows logo, and in the search box type OneDrive. When you see the OneDrive app, click it. This will launch OneDrive again and, if necessary, prompt you to sign in with your Microsoft account. Just follow the instructions, and you should see your files start to sync as normal. If your problems are still sticking around after this, don't worry. Sometimes OneDrive needs a deeper reset to fully clear those stubborn issues, especially if you've seen endless sync errors or files that just won't update. Here, how you do a deeper reset. First, right-click on the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray. You'll see an option for settings. Click that, then switch to the Account tab. Now select Unlink this PC. This step disconnects your computer from your OneDrive account so you can relink everything fresh. It's a gentle way to say, let's start over, without removing your files from the cloud. After you've unlinked, go ahead and restart your computer. Just do a quick reboot. This helps clear out any lingering processes, kind of like giving your computer a nice deep breath. When your system's back up, open OneDrive again just like before, using the search box in the Start menu. Sign in with your Microsoft account and let OneDrive resync your files. And that's it. With these steps, you should have OneDrive running like new again. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. If you ran into any snags or have questions, drop a comment below. I always do my best to respond and help out. And if you want more practical tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe for more tips and solutions. Thanks for watching and happy syncing.